The international boundary between the U.S. and Mexico is at the center of the dispute between the state of Texas and the White House, after Texas passed its own immigration law, bypassing federal jurisdiction.
All Texas is going to be doing is basically enforcing the laws that were passed by Congress that Joe Biden is refusing to enforce.
The law, known as SB 4, gives local police and state judges the power to arrest and deport people suspected of illegally entering Texas from a foreign country, a job typically handled by U.S. Border Patrol. As the courts weigh whether SB 4 is constitutional, Mexico's president called it dehumanizing and said his country will not accept deportations from Texas if the law ultimately stands. Local police say they have concerns too.
It's not like, oh, he looks illegal and we're going to put him in jail. We can't do that. We can't stereotype someone, someone from Mexico and do that.
Those who work on the front lines of immigration see an even bigger problem. The law could be used to target people already in the U.S.
It's not just against recently arriving migrants who are coming to the border today, but this really goes after Texans throughout the state.
It's all part of a broader fight between the White House and Republicans who have blocked bipartisan efforts at border reform in Congress. Iowa has now passed a bill similar to the one in Texas.
The states haven't been engaged in this kind of policy, no more than they have been in printing and coining currency. But if you let the states into this area, you open up a Pandora's box, and not just in immigration.
The standoff has become a major test of whether the states will remain united behind U.S. law. It seems unlikely to end the crisis at America's southern border, with migration still at record levels. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.